Okay, so I finally got the motor driver I'll be using in this build, taking it out of the plastic packaging and setting it into the breadboard. Alright, so here's the layout for the build. We're going to be grounding both sides because we'll be using two motors, and our first motor will be going here, 1Y and 2Y, and we'll be using pins 3 and pins 5 to control it, and our second motor will be going here at 4Y and 3Y, and we'll be using pin 8 and pin 10 on the Raspberry Pi to control it. And we're going to also be connecting the IC to 5 volts, and this will enable us to be able to use these sides. So 1 and 2 EN controls this side, and 3 and 4 EN controls this side. So we're gonna connect those to 5 volts. And for our supply voltage, we're gonna be connecting that to 5 volts as well, and grounds. And we'll be putting a capacitor on both sides.